Like, I'm not wearing anything, honey. My skin is so smooth. Natural lighting, you guys. No ring light, no nothing, no makeup. This is my skin. Come on. You can't tell me nothing.
You keep on your boat, you and I just spending my mode. See fear out of you remain afloat. Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique, and as you can see, I'm in a little bit of a different background today. I decided to just come to you guys with full natural lighting today just to show you how this product has been working on my skin. So I've actually been using this Radiance Spin-Care System for a week now, and I feel like I've been having some really good results. My skin is so much more smooth now. I don't really have any blemishes on my face. I feel like my skin has just been very radiant. It's been glowing. I've been getting so many compliments, you guys, and I'm so excited about it. In the box, you do get an exfoliation brush, a cleansing brush, a body brush, a pumice stone, as well as the Spin-Care System itself. So the routine that I found works the best for myself is first going in with this cleansing brush. Even though both the bristles on these are extremely soft, I feel like the cleansing brush is just a little more rough than the exfoliation brush. With the cleansing brush, I go in 2 times. First, I go in with my Neutrogena Skin Balancing Milky Cleanser. And then I go in with the same cleansing brush and I just add this Equate Beauty Foaming Scrub Cleansing Cool Foam. So I do a cycle of each on each brush, and then I pick up the exfoliation brush and do the same thing. I go through with both, take about 15 minutes to get through the whole process of cleansing and using the foaming scrub on my face. Then I go in, wash it off, and that whole process takes like maybe 15-20 minutes. And then after that, my skin is just good to go. Like, honestly, I'm somebody who's always using like lotions and cocoa butters and like healthy skin stuff on my face to get that smooth sort of feeling, because especially when the winter time comes, I don't want my skin to be dried out. But my absolute favorite thing about this Spin Care System is the fact that I don't need to put lotion on my face anymore, because after this whole process is done, after I've washed my face and wiped it off, my skin is so soft and smooth, you guys. I don't need to put any lotion whatsoever. As you can see, I do still have some blemishes, but my skin is so much better than it was prior to using this product. These brushes can be used on any part of your body. I've used them on all parts of my body. So I've used the cleansing brush and the exfoliation brush specifically just on my face, even though those can be used on other parts of your body. And then I've just gone in and used the body brush on the rest of the parts of my body. The way that my face feels is the way that my whole body feels. It's unclogging my pores. It's getting rid of all my dead skin. And one of the greatest things about the system as well is that it also comes with a pumice stone, which is wonderful if you're somebody who has dead skin on your feet or rough skin on your elbows and your feet and your heels, if you have calluses. I've bought 4 Radiance Spin-Care Systems for people in my family for Christmas because I feel like a lot of them will really like it. I will never come on this channel and talk about something that I don't believe in, which is the reason why I waited to actually review this product, because I wanted to test it on myself and see if I liked the progress that I was getting, and I really, really do like it. So I definitely would recommend it for somebody who wears makeup, for people who don't wear makeup, for men, for women, honestly, just for anybody who's interested in having their skin be more healthy, oil-free, for anybody who is even the slightest bit interested in having a healthier skin life. So it does run for about $95, I believe it said on the site, but I do have a link that I will put below in my description, and you will be able to get this product for $30, which I feel like is so worth it. $30 for glistening, glowing skin, and not only for your face, for your entire body. Your entire body, you guys. If you're interested in it or you have any questions about it, just make sure you leave those below in the comments, and I'll definitely be sure to get back to you as soon as possible. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, just give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the products or any of the units that you want to pick up and try in any of the colors. And until then, I hope to see you soon. Bye.